I can't wait to try traditional American food for the first time. Party ready. Life is so good.
You can do whatever you like.
Hi guys, happy Thanksgiving. There are 3 reasons why I want to publish this video and film this video. First of all, it's the first ever Thanksgiving in my life. Second, I already gained some friends here, and they're all coming to my house, and they will be cooking all these traditional American Thanksgiving food I never tried in my life, so it's going to be my first ever official turkey. Pumpkin pie. And third, it's like a massive celebration here in the US. Everything is closed. The streets are so empty for Thanksgiving, guys. Look around. Oh my god, it's a ghost town. Okay, let's see. I'm going to my coffee shop. I need to do some work. No, it's closed. Okay, now it's officially confirmed. Everything apart from the pharmacy is closed for Thanksgiving. So it's my first ever experience having party in LA, in California. Okay guys, let me finish with my hair and let's party. And the first thing I love about Thanksgiving in LA, in California, that to attend the party in November, you need sunglasses and a hat. I love it. Let's party today. Meet the locals. Turkey is in the oven. This is a massive beast. Massive beast. The guys are preparing drinks and food. Let's check on Aaron.
Aaron, this is traditional American barbecue, I guess?
Yeah.
Oh. That looks so cool. Oh, wow.
Smells fantastic.
It's a real piece of art.
Yeah, it's like a prime rib photo.
This is like real American huge-sized turkey. And this is the stock?
Yeah, it's a good fat.
Oh, nice. It's like in the movies. I'm so European.
No, you're good. Shall we open it then?
Bye-bye, turkey. What do we have here, shall we? This is mac and cheese. This is pecan pie. This is the pumpkin pie I got yesterday. Mashed potatoes. Oh my god, that's amazing.
What is that? See what you're doing.
I'm learning how to put Capri Sun and vodka together for the true American college experience.
So, you LA guy, you still do alcohol, right?
Cheers, guys.
Okay, I will be on the scene, but I'm getting my kombucha. So I'm with you guys, I'm joining you. Let's see what I have. I still have kombucha, which I need to finish. And I got a bottle of non-alcoholic wine yesterday. And I also got a bottle for the first time of non-alcoholic champagne. Because I'm waiting for Leia, for my friend, from my best friend from LA. And she does not drink alcohol, so I got some wine and some non-alcoholic champagne, especially for us. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Life is so good. So, this is my first time to try American barbecue. I'll do it with my hands. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is the moment I'm getting Americanized. Okay guys, officially, European loves American barbecue. Absolutely love it. I'm coming for some more.
I know, right?
That's amazing.
It's so good. This one?
I love it. Let's say, ah! my darling. How are you? This is Leia. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
I love you. So far it was so cool. So the party started at about 12 noon. It was barbecue and all these cool things. And now the guys are cooking all these meals. The turkey is still in the oven since 12. And it's a fireplace. The guys having fun there and cooking some very traditional American food. Well, considering we have a very mixed culture celebration today, the majority of people I am with, they're Americans. And funny thing, again, they all live in LA, but only one person is actually from LA, from California. The rest just came from other states, which is amazing. All this mix of cultures, it's incredible. And also how accepting American society is. Guys, for me, for European, it feels so weird. It takes time when you go to Italy or to France or to Norway to become a part of local community. But here, people just so openly taking you if you're nice, if you're kind, and if you just the way you are. Most probably people just accept you. And this acceptance, I'm quite shocked for the third week. It's 5, it's getting dark as you can see, and well, I can't wait to try the turkey. It looks absolutely amazing. This size is enormous, but I can't wait to try the beast.
My first piece is there.
And another accepting thing about this culture, when I told the guys that I don't really drink alcohol and I'm having my non-alcoholic champagne, cool, absolutely fine. Now when asked if I'm sick, if I'm pregnant, like people used to do in London, back in London. But to be honest with you, I quite like this non-alcoholic champagne. Works good for me. So happy Thanksgiving, guys. Okay guys, it was the first ever Thanksgiving day in my life. So I highlighted some interesting things about my first ever Thanksgiving. First of all, no matter that in LA, when you walk down the street, you can feel this smell of weed. But not everyone in LA, in California, smokes weed. All the company I had today in my house, about 15 people, no one smoked it. People just didn't care, and I was quite surprised that no one brought anything, no one smoked anything. No one smoked. So not everyone, not many people in LA, in California actually smoke weed. Number 2, and people in LA, in California, don't really drink alcohol. I cannot say they don't drink at all. Everything started at 12. So some of the guys, they were having vodka with some other beverages like juice and juice, ice, vodka. Some people like me, I would say 80% of people were not drinking alcohol at all, and people were so happy and impressed when they found out that I actually bought some non-alcoholic wine and non-alcoholic champagne. Those were actually top drinking beverages, top beverages we were having all night. By 10 p.m. the house was deserted. Everyone had fun, had some non-alcoholic or a little bit alcoholic drinks, no mess, no conflicts, no arguments, no crazy screams, loud talks. Everything was so classy, I would say. And by 10 p.m. everyone left. I really love house party style in LA. Surprise, surprise, European point of view, but American food is amazing. The steak was not overdone, it was nicely done. Okay, it was not with blood, but it was so tasty, it was so juicy, and I can't remember anything I didn't like. The turkey, no words, guys. No matter that I'm so full now, when I think about the turkey, I still have my mouth watering. Probably that was first the biggest and second the tastiest turkey meat I ever tried in my entire life. Stuffing, which usually goes inside the turkey, that stuffing we all know from American movies, it can also go next to turkey, or like it can be cooked separately, and it doesn't absolutely need to go inside the turkey. You can have it separately on your plate together with traditional American gravy, and guys, this stuffing is so tasty. Okay, after this confession, I guess I will never be allowed to enter Italy again, but I tried American mac and cheese. I liked it. Number 6, and I personally find American, Californian, Los Angeles parties are so cool. All people interactions, the conversations, they're so engaging, and the subjects, the topics people discuss here, they really interesting. I enjoyed so much interacting with people tonight and getting to know what they do in their life and how they achieved the level they have today, and it was so engaging. I had a word with everyone. The conversations, they were just awesome. I did not feel like I'm an outsider or I just came to the country. I felt so welcomed. People in America, they don't really discuss other people. From what I saw, they mainly discuss ideas, some spiritual things, meditations, how to improve the world, how to improve life, and all these cool things. And I was really happy to be and feel like a part of this community, of this society so far. American people and people living in America here in LA. I'm so happy that I met them, and I find them fascinatingly interesting. And number 7, magic 7, guys. I really do my best. I will do everything I can possibly do to come to the US next year and spend my next Thanksgiving Day in November also in the US. I'm not sure if it's California, I'm not sure if it's LA, but I absolutely love your American tradition of celebrating this Thanksgiving Day, get together and cook food together and enjoy this food, enjoy conversation, just be together and be nice and smile. And it's amazing, guys. It's a brilliant tradition, and thank you so much for having me in your country. I hope I will be a nice addition to your community, to your society, and I love you so much, guys. Thank you so much for accepting me. I'm about to cry here, but that was one of the best celebrations I've ever seen in my life. And you here in America, you're doing so great, guys. Like, I'm impressed. Well done, and thank you so much for this Thanksgiving. I wish you all the best. It's a little bit later than Thanksgiving, but I love you so much. Stay safe, guys. Be happy. Thank you so much for welcoming me in your country, and I'll see you in one big time. I'm gonna try to digest my turkey. I love you lots. I'll speak to you later. Bye, guys. Bye for now.
You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust.